Hello everyone! Subaru is adding a new electric SUV to its lineup for 2026, called the Uncharted. Roughly similar in size to the Crosstrek, it's a twin of the Toyota 𝗙𝗪 and offers two powertrains, a 221 horsepower first-story drive single motor setup, or a 338 horsepower A-wheel drive dual motor configuration. The Uncharted will go on sale in the US early next year. The name Subaru Uncharted may evoke visions of a rugged off-roader, but this new electric SUV is charting new territory in ways that you might not expect. As a mechanical twin to the recently revealed Toyota 𝗙𝗪, the Uncharted will be the smallest EV in the Subaru lineup, and though Subaru is notably a brand known for offering standard all-wheel drive across its lineup, save for the rear-wheel drive BRZ sports car, the Uncharted will also be the first front-wheel drive Subaru in decades. It will offer a 221 horsepower single-motor base model that aims to be a price and range leader compared with the optional all-wheel drive setup. Riding on the 𝗙𝗪𝗏 platform and sharing most of its bodywork with its Toyota sibling, the Subaru does have distinct front and rear end styling that makes it look similar to the larger 𝗙𝗪𝗏 electric SUV, which was also developed with Toyota. The Uncharted is a subcompact electric SUV that could be considered an electric equivalent to the Crosstrek, and it has a bit of extra black plastic cladding compared with the 𝗙𝗪 to give it that rugged appearance so closely associated with Subaru. The base powertrain isn't typically Subaru though, as it's a front-wheel drive setup, with a single electric motor producing 221 horsepower. Subaru says that this version, called FWD Premium, will be available in limited quantities and that it's meant to appeal to those looking for a more affordable option with extra range. Subaru estimates the FWD version will achieve a driving range of 300 miles on a charge. The battery pack is a 75 kWh lithium-ion unit that's standard across the board regardless of powertrain spec. The optional all-wheel drive configuration has considerably more power, with 338 horsepower courtesy of dual electric motors, one in front and one in the rear. It comes on the Sport and GT trim levels. Curiously, Toyota takes a more Subaru-esque approach in offering the all-wheel drive setup as standard on the 𝗙𝗪. This drops the estimated driving range down to 290 miles, although the all-wheel drive Uncharted claims an impressive 60 mph acceleration time of under 5 seconds. Subaru will offer its X-Mode off-road setting on the all-wheel drive versions. The interior features a 14-inch touchscreen, dual wireless phone charging pads, and a 2-row 5-seat layout. Subaru-specific touches include orange trim, optional water-repellent seat upholstery, and a squared-off steering wheel. Heated seats, a power tailgate, and ambient lighting are standard, while the Sport includes a heated steering wheel and a 360-degree camera system. The top GT trim level has a panoramic sunroof, 20-inch wheels, ventilated front seats, and an upgraded audio system. The Uncharted comes with the North American charging standard port. That means it can be charged at Tesla superchargers. Subaru claims it can charge at speeds of up to 150 kilowatts, meaning it should be able to get from 10% to 80% charge in 30 minutes. We don't yet have pricing for the 2026 Uncharted, which goes on sale early next year, but we assume that the base front-wheel drive model will be priced in the low $30,000 range to compete with models such as the Hyundai Kona Electric and Kia Niro EV. The AWD versions will likely be in the upper $30,000 to low $40,000 range. Friends, I would like to hear your opinion about 2026 Subaru Uncharted EV, and I'll be waiting for it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel not to miss the latest news from the world of automobiles. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.